Hi, I am Sandhya. Welcome to Quest for Maths channel. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss efficiency based problems in time and work. Here, efficiency based questions, two types. One is percentage based, second one time based. In percentage based, A is 20% more efficient than B, A is 30% more efficient than B, A is 50% less efficient than B. These type of problems will ask in questions. Second one, time based. A is twice efficient as B, A is thrice efficient as B, A is 4 times as efficient as B. These type of questions will ask in exams. Suppose A is 20% more efficient than B. In efficiency, A, B. Suppose B is 100 efficient, then A is 20% more, so 120. It is in efficiency. So 6 is to 5. In time, 5 is to 6. Because efficiency and time is inversely proportional. So, exactly opposite to efficiency. Time is exactly opposite to efficiency. Next one, time based. Here A is twice efficient as B. Suppose B x, so A is 2x. In efficiency, in time, inversely proportional, so x to x, like that. Move on to the questions. First question, A is 25% less efficient than B and both of them can complete the work in 24 days. Then A alone will do it how many days? Here A is 25% less efficient than B. Suppose B is 100, A is 75%. Both of them work. A and B work in 24 days. Then how many days A alone will do a work? Solution. Suppose A, B. In efficiency, B is 100, A is 25. 3 is to 4. In time, efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So 4 is to 3. If both of them work in 24 days, so 2 కలిపి 7. 7 into 24. This is total work. Here the total work is 24 into both 7. 7 into 24. How many days? A alone. A is equals to 24 into 7 by 3 efficiency. So A is equals to 56. If we want B, 24 into 7 divided by 4. So B is 42. So here A is less efficient than B. So B number of days less than A. Second question. Here A is 25% more efficient than B and 16 2/3 percent less efficient than C. If A alone can complete the work in 20 days, then all together will do it in how many days? Here A is 25% more efficient than B. Suppose 25% means 25 by 100. So 1 by 4. Next 16 2 by 3 percentage means 50 by 300. So 1 by 6. So first A is to B. 25% means 1 by 4. Suppose B is 4. A is more kada. So 4 plus 1 5. Next A C 1 by 6. 16 2 by 3% less means 1 by 6. Suppose C is 6. ఇక్కడ less కాబట్టి 6 minus 1 5. So A is to B is to C ratio is 5 is to 4 is to 6. Here A alone can complete the work 20. So 20 into 5. This is total work. Then how many days all together? So 20 into 5 100 divided by all. 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. 5 3s 2 20 by 3 6 2 by 3 days. All together can complete the work in 6 2 by 3 days. Third question. A is 6 2 by 3% less than B and 44 4 by 9% more efficient than C. If all together complete the work in 16 days, then B and C together do it in how many days? A is 6 2 by 3 18 20 by 300. 20 by 300 means 1 by 15. 44 4 by 9% is equals to 4 by 9. So A B. So B is 15. Here A is less. 15 minus 1 14. So A is 14. Next A C. Here C is 9. So more means A is more than C, more efficient than C. 9 plus 4 30. So finally A is to B is to C ratio find out cheyali. Dini first B is to A is to C, B is to A reverse raskar. 15 is to 14, 13 is to 9. So 195 182 is to 126. This is B is to A is to C ratio. So 182 is to 195 is to 126. Here all together. So all together is equal this 5 6 11 13 3 3 9 12 12 20. So 503. All together is 503. That is equals to 503 into 16 days. This is total work. How many days? B and C. B and C is equals to 503 into 16 by B and C how much? 6 5 2 1 10 321 days. Cancellation cheste vachavi B and C together in these days. Next, A is twice as good as B and is able to finish a piece of work in 30 days less than B. In how many days they can complete whole work? working together. Solution. A is twice good as B. Suppose A is to B. Suppose Bx, A is 2x in efficiency. In time, x 2x in time. So 1:2. It is able to finish a piece of work is 30 days less than B. So 2:1. Difference in the one part is equals to 30. 1 into 30, 30 days. A is 30. 3 into 2, 20. B is equals to 60 days. LCM 60 units. 32s once. Total 60 units by both working together. 2 plus 1, 3. So 20 days. Both complete the work in 20 days. Fifth one. A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? Here A is 30% more than efficient. B means B is 100 in efficiency. A is 130 in time. A, B 130, 100 in efficiency. In time 100, 130. Suppose A is 100, B is 130. LCM 130, 13 times, 10 times. How much time will they working together to complete a job which A alone working 23 days. So total work is equals to 13 into 23. Both working together how many days? Both is equals to 13 into 23 by 10 plus 13. So 23. That is equals to 13 days. These 5 problems are efficiency based problems. You will practice more problems. You will get an idea. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.